Every single day, millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube, but only a tiny percentage of them go viral. The rest, most viewers leave within the first 10 seconds. So what's the difference? Is it an expensive camera, a huge budget, or a powerful computer? No. The real difference is editing. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 editing secrets that the biggest YouTubers use to keep millions of people watching until the very end. And trust me, the final secret is something most beginner creators completely ignore. Let's get started. Secret number 1, start with a powerful hook. Most creators begin their videos like this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And that's exactly where viewers leave. Instead, start with a question or statement that creates curiosity. For example, why do some videos get millions of views while others barely get any? Or, why do most viewers leave within the first 10 seconds? Curiosity keeps people watching. Secret number 2, change something. Every 3 seconds. This is one of the biggest secrets behind viral videos. Never let the screen stay the same for too long. Zoom in, zoom out, switch camera angles, show B-roll, add text, use animations, play sound effects. The human brain naturally pays attention to new visuals. Every change gives viewers another reason to keep watching. Secret number 3, use B-roll to tell the story. Don't just tell viewers what you're talking about. Show them. Talking about smartphones? Show a smartphone. Talking about artificial intelligence? Show AI-generated visuals. Talking about money. Show cash, charts, or financial graphics. People understand ideas much faster when they can both hear and see them. Secret number 4, audio is just as important as video. Many creators obsess over video quality. But poor audio drives viewers away much faster. A simple camera with clean audio beats an expensive camera with bad sound. Use background music that matches the mood. Add subtle sound effects for text, transitions, and important moments. Most importantly, make sure your voice is always clear and easy to understand. Secret number 5. Make your video look professional. Raw footage often looks flat and boring. That's why professional creators use color correction, color grading. First, fix the lighting and colors. Then create your own visual style. Warm colors create an emotional feeling. Cool colors create a modern, cinematic look. Great color grading instantly makes your videos feel more professional. Secret number 6, cut every boring moment. Ask yourself one simple question. If I were the viewer, would I keep watching this part? If the answer is no, cut it. Don't keep a scene just because you spent time creating it. The best editors aren't the ones who add the most effects. They're the ones who remove everything that slows the video down. Every second should move the story forward. Secret number 7, edit emotions, not just videos. Here's what separates average creators from great ones. Great YouTubers don't just edit clips, they edit emotions. They make viewers curious. They make them laugh. They surprise them. They inspire them. People may forget the facts you share, but they'll always remember how your video made them feel. That's what keeps them coming back. Conclusion. So let's quickly recap the 7 secrets behind viral video editing. Start with a powerful hook. Change the visuals every few seconds. Use B-roll to support your story. Invest in great audio. Color grade your footage. Remove every boring moment. And most importantly, edit for emotion, not just information. If you apply these techniques consistently, your videos will become more engaging, your audience retention will improve, and you'll give your content a much better chance of reaching a larger audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.